Ever wondered if you're actually cleaning down there the right way? Let's clear this up once and for all. How should you actually wash your vagina and vulva? Millions of women still get it wrong, not because they're careless, but because of myths, marketing, and advice passed down for generations. Today, I'll break down the exact do's and don'ts, explain why the vagina is self-cleaning, and show you how to protect your intimate health for life. Here's the reality. More than 70% of women say they're confused about feminine hygiene. Every year, billions are spent on washes, wipes, and so-called freshness products. But here's the truth. The vagina is not dirty. It's a self-cleaning system designed to protect you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's safe, what's harmful, and how to feel confident in your daily routine. First, let's get the basics straight. The vagina is internal. The vulva is external. That's the part you see and the part you clean. You don't wash the vagina. You gently clean the vulva. Inside, your body is already doing the work. Lactobacilli, good bacteria, keep your pH balanced. Natural discharge helps remove dead cells and protect against infections. That's why overwashing or inserting products does more harm than good. Now, let's talk about what you should do. Use warm water daily. Just rinsing the vulva gently in the shower is enough. If you prefer, you can use a mild fragrance-free cleanser, but only externally, never inside. Choose cotton underwear and breathable fabrics. This reduces irritation and keeps the area dry. Always wipe front to back. That simple habit prevents bacteria from spreading. After exercise or sex, rinse off or change underwear if you're sweaty or wet. Quick question for you. How many of these do you already follow? Drop a comment below. You might be surprised how many women were never taught these basics in school. Now for the big don'ts. Do not douche. It upsets your pH, wipes out healthy bacteria, and makes infections more likely. Avoid scented washes, wipes, and sprays. They irritate delicate skin and can trigger yeast or bacterial infections. Don't scrub with sponges or loofahs. The vulva's skin is sensitive. Harsh scrubbing damages it. Limit tight synthetic underwear. Save it for special occasions, not daily wear. Don't overwash. More than once a day can strip away your body's natural protective barrier. Here's the deeper truth. Your body isn't dirty. If companies are telling you it needs perfume or chemicals to be acceptable, they're not selling health. They're selling shame. Don't buy it. Now, let's tackle some modern myths that are everywhere online. On TikTok and Instagram, you'll see trends like boric acid suppositories, vaginal probiotics, or even vaginal steaming. Here's what you need to know. Boric acid should only ever be used under medical guidance. It's not a DIY cure. Most vaginal probiotics, wipes, and pills? Unnecessary if your body is healthy. And steaming, no proven benefit. And in some cases, it can actually burn delicate tissue. Your intimate health doesn't need hacks or trendy shortcuts. It needs respect for how your body already works. Of course, sometimes your body will send signals that something's not right. If you notice a fishy odor, discharge that looks like cottage cheese, persistent itching, pain, or unexpected bleeding, it's time to see a doctor. And let's clear this up. Discharge is normal. The color and texture can change through your cycle. What's important is recognizing when it's unusual for you. The bottom line? These issues are common, treatable, and nothing to be ashamed of. But don't self-medicate. Always get professional guidance. So here's the truth. The vagina cleans itself. Your job is simple. Care gently for the vulva. Avoid harsh products, and listen to your body's signals. If you found this helpful, share it with a friend who's ever felt unsure about intimate care, because every woman deserves to know this. And if you want more doctor-backed wellness tips, subscribe to our channel. Your body, your confidence, your health, they all start with knowledge.